Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis, and today we're going to be talking about Ripple XRP. We're also going to be talking about why I do think that we are about to see a major shift in the market as well. So with that being said, let's refresh the coin crypto market cap. We do see that the total crypto market cap is sitting at about $2.24 trillion, up about 2.24%. We do see Bitcoin kind of ranging around that 49.3 to the 50.3K zone. Until we get a major breaking point, nothing's going to be really moving overall. But we do see that we are up significantly, up at about 2.14%. Nothing too crazy overall, but still up. We also see Ethereum up about 0.65%. ADA just broke $3, up about 16% on the 7-day span. We also see XRP moving up a little bit more here as well, up almost 4%, up about 15%. Solana still up about 72%. DOT up 32.82%. Uniswap up almost 18%. A lot of these assets are making solid moves, as we even do come down here and we do see a lot more assets up about 30% and so. Everything is still looking good. I think that we are arranging to have a massive breaking point in the month of September. Yeah, sure, we could get some volatile price action, but when I see something like this, where JPMorgan issues basically a major bearish warning about altcoins, it's just comical to me. Like, we always get this FUD every time that the crypto market moves, and it just allows us to go much higher. Like CNBC, once they call for bearish news on Bitcoin, all of a sudden, like next week, they're saying, oh, it looks very bullish, you should buy in. Like, whenever like JP Morgan or like CNBC or whatever the case may be is telling you to be fearful, that's usually the time to be greedy and get in, right? And then when they are telling you to buy, that's the time to sell. Usually it's the polar opposite of what they are saying. And even this is saying that the crypto markets look frothy. It's meaning like it looks like it's in a bubble. They're even saying down here that the share of altcoins looks rather elevated by historical standards, and in our opinion, it looks more likely to be a reflection of froth and retail investor mania rather than a reflection of the structural uptrend. I don't know. It's comical to me. They're saying be fearful when others are greedy. Honestly, be greedy when JP Morgan and CNBC and like news outlets like that are being greedy, because it's just the polar opposite. So I do think that this is also good news in terms of insight on where, hey, this might be a very good, I would say, indicator of us going much higher. And I do think that that is actually going to be happening sometime. Like, honestly, if Ethereum could break 4K, we could have a very good weekend, in my opinion. So with that being said, I want to move on to this. We do see Ripple Patron SBI Holdings is opening Japan's first crypto fund, including XRP, as well as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. This is going to be huge, realistically speaking, especially considering it allows for more publicity, more utility behind XRP as well. So I do think that this is great. A lot more individuals will be able to buy XRP as well. So I think that this is great to see. Now, in regards to this, we also see this. Justin, the Bank of International Settlements, has enlisted the central banks of Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, and South Africa to test central bank digital currencies for cross-border payments. We do see here, I wonder if any of these have approved Ripple or Ripple-related companies for money services. Surely not, and it's only a matter of time. We even see this meme here from XRP Shark. It is funny, though, because we are seeing CBDC adoption and cross-border payments really ramp up around the world. What's great about this is that all four of these are partnered with Ripple in a way for cross-border payments or even ODL services and so forth. Like, even Singapore is huge for XRP and Ripple products. So it's very interesting to see a lot of this stuff ramping up in terms of cross-border payments and even just CBDCs overall. And I've talked about the CBDCs very closely, even in regards to HBAR. So very interesting to see, though. Now, I also want to talk to you guys about this. I genuinely believe XRP gets pegged to a 3 to 5 digit price, whether it grows organically to get there or just declared there. I don't know. I escrowed XRP because, as much as I don't like the Maxi mentality, it's clearly one of the pillars for the fourth IR and the incoming CBDCs. And we do see here, people call XRP a scam, yet Brad Garlinghouse co-authoring the latest paper from the WEF on crypto regulations. Don't listen to everything you see on crypto Twitter. And it's exactly that. Like, I think that people need to realize what's actually going on behind closed doors. Like, I honestly think that this entire SEC lawsuit was a huge game, right? And I do think that it was all planned. I'm not going to be a tinfoil hat wearer, but I'm just going to say right now, there is absolutely no way that this entire show that we're watching in terms of this SEC versus Ripple lawsuit is not just one big sort of manipulative corruption case that is just one big show. I think it was all planned. I think it was planned to get people out of XRP because even going back to this, right? If XRP actually gets a monetary value of 3 to 5 digits, right? It would happen overnight. And I think that that's the big case for the whole idea of becoming an overnight millionaire or overnight generational wealth and so forth for a lot of people. But realistically speaking, I mean, that could just be the case. I mean, we could definitely get a monetary value put on us if we are utilized for a lot of those cross-border flows, especially even in regards to Swift, which I've been talking about a lot on this channel, especially in regards to SMEs, B2B payments, even P2P payments in regards to XLM and Stellar. So there is a lot of news in regards to this to actually kind of look into and actually do some more research about. But also, in regards to with all the news regarding XRP, ODL services, cross-border payments, all that kind of stuff, I do also want to talk to you guys about what is happening with Flare. So, obviously, we are still waiting for Flare to come out. Realistically speaking, they said that it will come out after Songbird actually goes live. Now, just for anybody who is holding Songbird, for an example, on Uphold, which is, where most people hold their XRP, it's considering supporting the Songbird token. So, as of September 1st, which was yesterday, these are the exchanges that are supporting the Songbird token airdrop. These are also the wallets that are supporting it. Now, it is important that I asked Uphold, because that is where I was holding my XRP at the time of the snapshot. I asked Uphold if they will be supporting it. They said that they have no information on it just yet. But I would definitely, if you guys are supporting XRP and Songbird, tweet out as much as possible to Uphold and a few of these other individuals as well, because we do see that the airdrop date is no official date yet, but sometime in September and October. And I do want to get Songbird. I don't want to miss out on it, because if you guys did some research on it, it is an incredible asset, especially to get it for free. So definitely, I would start tweeting out to Uphold some of these, other exchanges, asking some more information, get the demand up, because I think that that's the idea, that they want, more demand possibly or something. But it is what it is. Hopefully we do get that airdrop as soon as possible, though, and hopefully all of these exchanges do start to support it. So with that being said, I also want to talk to you guys about Flare, because I think that there is a lot of things to actually look into. First and foremost, I think Flare is absolutely going to shine as an asset, and I do think that it's incredible to actually get it for free as well, just by holding XRP. The reason why Flare is going to be so huge is, did you ever see a token on launch be supported by 50 plus major exchanges as well? I mean, I'm talking Coinbase, Kraken, Binance. There's so many, exchanges on here, even OKEX, right? KuCoin, Crypto.com, these are huge exchanges. 50 plus supporting the Flare airdrop, 12 wallets, 4 fintechs. It's huge. Flare is going to be an absolute giant. I can't believe that we are getting 1-to-1 for free just by holding XRP back on December 12th. Now, also, in regards to this, I do think that this is going to be a huge FOMO event once this is launched. I do also want to talk to you guys about all the money for XRP, because I do think that at some point in time, we will grasp all the money. And this goes all the way back to the 3 to 5 digit pegged price for it. This is talking about how we get its true value. We're talking about utility, the hoses, right? FX markets, supply chains, SMEs, like I've been talking about, cross borders, peer-to-peer, and also B2B payments. Again, this is huge. We also talk about liquidity, the pool, collateral, pile of assets, gold, silver, oil, assets. XRP, asset-backed $1 with ability to provide constant flow of utility 365 days, 24/7. Fiat-backed system is collapsing globally. Yes, it is. And then we also see here, look at all of the currencies, look at all of the stuff, oil, all of this stuff, gold, Indian rupee, all that stuff, supply chains, trade, CBDCs. We also look into the settlements of central banks, XRP or stablecoin off of XRP. There's so much in regards to how we get to the whole idea of all of the money, in quotation marks, for XRP. And I do think that it is only one of the assets in this space that could actually accomplish this. There's not many other assets that could actually accomplish this in terms of what XRP actually offers, which is that ODL service, and also even going back to the whole idea of line of credit as well, because that is actually huge for those SMEs. But overall, XRP is offering a ton of utility, especially in replace for the XRP ledger as well, being able to pretty much build a CBDC on or provide the power for a CBDC with efficiency and scalability, but also in regards to the idea of stablecoins as well, which we do know stablecoins will be huge. So I do think that we will get to this point at some point in time. It's just going to take a little bit of time as well. So with that being said, I do want to move on to some more news. We also see here, who wants to pay for bank fees or expensive fees for crypto transfers? Exactly. Nobody. And here is the idea of moving all of the money, enabling interoperability across platforms. We do see Ripple pretty much, being the money network for all banking systems through the XRP ledger, of course. Like I said, the XRP ledger is huge, connecting those pretty much central banks all through blockchains and DLTs, capital markets, trade finance, Internet of Things, payment platforms, marketplaces, other platforms as well, which is pretty much all of the money at the end of the day. So when we talk about all of the money, it isn't something that's just made up. It's not all hopium. It's the fact that XRP does have the potential and the power to actually do that. I think that it is one of those assets that are very special in this space, and a lot of people do talk down on it. Same people talk down on HBAR, which we already know has incredible potential, does have the potential to, in my opinion, get to the #1 spot, especially in this crypto market. Now, last but not least, I do just want to address one other thing, and that is this. We do see Peter Schiff, which we all know is a Bitcoin Maxi, or a gold Maxi, not Bitcoin Maxi, sorry. He says Western Union charges $4.95 to transfer up to $500 to El Salvador. To avoid this fee, will people pay a fee to buy Bitcoin instead, then pay an additional fee to transfer it to El Salvador? Which one received will likely be sold, potentially at a loss? Bitcoin doesn't fix this 100%, but we do know XRP does. And in my opinion, XRP is the standard, as we do see here. And I do think that it is only a matter of time before XRP is adopted into these countries and these businesses to actually transact on a day-to-day basis using a fraction of a penny for the fee basis on a 3 to 5 second settlement time, and at a scalability option as well for a lot of businesses, corporations, and so forth. We are the financial institution's #1 choice for a cryptocurrency asset to actually build with, scale with, and overall transact with. So with that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. I do think that we are ranging for a massive bull market for XRP, and I do think that a lot of the stars are aligning for us, and I do think that it is only a matter of time. So with that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you guys do want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.